Afternoon guys, Patrick here. It's a beautiful Saturday afternoon. It's 26 degrees in Melbourne and I'm on my burger odyssey again. I'm off to check out a place called Burgers. They have a great theme. They name all their burgers after a country, and for example, Indian burger, and the ingredients are based on the traditional Indian food. So for example, a Greek burger would have all the flavors of Greece in there, which sounds great. So it's burger number 13 and I'm off to check it out right now. Let's see what it's like. Hopefully it's a good experience and I'll enjoy it. I'll get the Greek Spartan.
The Spartan, yes?
Yeah.
The Greek one, yeah?
Yeah.
Sure. In a meal or just spiced out? So if you want it in a meal, so extra $5 on the top, you can get chips and drinks.
Yeah, I'll get the chips and drinks too, thanks.
No worries. What drinks you would like?
Something without sugar.
Without sugar? Coke Zero?
Yeah, that'll do.
Anything else?
That's it, thank you. So I got the Greek burger, the Spartan, with some chips and a drink. So hopefully it's tasty. Okay, thank you.
Have a nice day.
Thank you. Well, I got my burger. As usual, I can't freaking sit down and eat it there. But, you know, I've got, look, it's in a nice little pack. I got some chips this time too, because it's traditional Greek. I got the Spartan, the Greek one. So, you know, look at that. It looks fantastic. Looks really appetizing. Try a chip. Nice. So anyway, this is burger number 13, and it's from Burgers. I'm actually at the Huntingdale shop. And I've just noticed there's a lot of different cuisines down here. There's Lebanese, there's Chinese, Greek. It's a huge mixture. So I might come down here and try a few of these shops out. But anyway, at the moment, let's go with this. Let's see what it's like. So that's what it looks like. It's not overly packed. There's no juice dripping out of it, which is great. You know, let's get into it. I'm enjoying it. I was fairly reasonably priced. So I got this burger, chips, and a drink for 15 bucks, which is pretty good value. It's got that Greek flavor to it. How good is it? It's okay. It's okay. The bun is a little bit doughy. It's kind of soggy. It's a shame. It's got a nice Greek flavor to it, but the bun is sort of, it's starting to collapse. I know it's collapsing into me, but you know what I mean. It's not. It doesn't retain its firmness as you eat it. Well, it looks good. It tastes pretty good. It sort of resembles a souvlaki, but you know, hey, nowhere near a souvlaki, but it resembles that. You know, it tastes something similar to like a lamb souvlaki or something like that. Maybe I might try the Aussie one next time. That had more bacon and eggs and more heart attack type of food. I love the theme though. You know, different countries, and the burgers taste to the authentic flavour of the country, or the perceived flavour of the country. Not bad. Well, I hope you enjoyed that, guys. Please like, comment and subscribe for future content. Ciao till next time.